Wichita Falls Public Library, here for another Crafteen Tuesday. Today we will be doing DIY bookmarks. The first one we're going to be doing today is DIY washi tape bookmarks. You're going to need an index card or an envelope, whichever you have. You'll need scissors and your choice of washi tape or any other colorful tape you have at home. First, you will need to cut off one bottom corner of the envelope. You'll want to try and make it as straight as possible. Next, you will start covering the triangle with washi tape. Depending on how you cover it, you will do it in a couple of different ways. You can continue layering it like this and do this to each side and just cut off the excess washi tape that hangs off the edges here. Or you can get your triangle, get your washi tape and actually wrap it around. I will do both so you can kind of see how it looks. That you could just wrap it around like this. Alright, I'm done with this side. So one thing you can do if you want to have a different pattern is just flip it over and choose a different one for the other side. Alright, this one's done. I'm going to fully do one where it's wrapped like this just to show you the difference, because personally I don't like that you can see the edges, so I'll show you what it looks like without those edges there. And when you do this, make sure that you are leaving this open because this is the side that's going to act as the bookmark. This part here is where I'll actually leave the excess on the other side, so that way it's not going to look bad on the other side. You'll know what I mean when I show you the end result. Alright, so for this side, I left the excess. You're just going to cut it off like you did the first bookmark. Alright, so this way you have it on both sides and you don't have the white edges that will stand out so much as this one here. You can do it either way, I just prefer this way. With the index card, if you don't have an extra envelope lying at home, what you'll need to do is fold it in half vertically, and then you'll cut one of the corners where the folded edge is here. You can make yours a little bit bigger than mine. I'm just kind of showing you. If you want to do it where you have the white edges like this, you can get clear tape to close this side here. So this will be the opening down here for the bookmark. Or if you're just using washi tape, then you can grab one of your tapes and just wrap it around there. And then you'll just cover the other side here and you'll be done. Once you're done with your washi tape bookmarks, you can grab the book you're reading or the book that you're going to start to read and just place it on the corner of the page here, and it will forever keep your place. And it just fits like that. This next DIY bookmark is a origami animal bookmark that I found online. You will take this template and cut out the square here, and you'll cut around the ears here. Once you cut out your pieces, you will fold the square in half diagonally to create a triangle. You'll make sure that the animal part is on top, so you'll fold it like this. And then you will flip the triangle over and fold each outer corner here to meet at the top or the center corner. So the face is going to be folded and be back on top again. So it's going to sort of make the face like this. Mine is the fox bookmark. And once you're done with this, you will undo the fold that you have made, so it's back to the original triangle. And you'll fold the top point of the top layer, so just one layer, and you'll fold it down like this. Once you've folded the top point down, you're going to fold back one of the corners, and you're going to tuck it into this little pocket that we've made. And you'll do the same thing for the other side. Once you've gotten your corners in the inside pocket like this, you're going to take tape or glue, and along this straight edge here, you're going to put your adhesive. Alright, once you're done with that, you will tuck it into the pocket here so the ears are sticking out. So you'll just tuck it in like that. If you use glue, make sure you wait a few minutes until the glue dries before you use it as a bookmark. It's another corner bookmark like the washi tape one. Alright, so I have our finished bookmarks here. I will leave some materials for DIY bookmarks by the youth side of the desk for you to pick up and do at home, and I hope to see you guys next time.